Didn't I just close that?
Pops, are you okay?
Oh, optical illusion.
Or you're fired! That's not a very funny joke.
Come on, let's go.
This is gonna take forever.
Rewards card.
Oh, I love rewards.
No, we're not here for that. Can you just tell us where the garage doors are?
Omelette and Rigby of the Golden Badge, and their fellow comrade whose name I do not know. It would be and my thirst.
How much further?
It's just down this way. No.
Ooh, it's the jazzy bed. The smoothest sleep you'll get on 4.
Is to sort various nuts and bolts into their correctly labeled buckets. Complete the...
Nuts, bolts, nuts, nuts.
Dude, it's a nut and a bolt together. What do we do?
Hey, is this the second truck?
Good. Then start plunging. Oh, and the light in here don't work so good.
I just wanted to get to the garage doors at all costs. It's not my fault you got no rhythm.
Rhythm? Dude, that's it. We'll split. Slow, slow.
Well, that's
Blinds, keeper of keys. Whatever that light bulb guy is called. Look!
Yeah, hon. I'm almost done at the house warehouse.
Attention shoppers. House Warehouse will be closing in 10 minutes. Please finish all shopping.
1, 2, 3!
There it is. This is our pearly gates model. Don't worry. They're supposed to do that.
Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow.
Dude, are you...
It came with the truck.
Don't you die on me!
What?
That one.
Once again, you have proven yourselves worthy.
Selves? I don't believe it.
Well, believe this.